Hello everyone, my name is Lily from Pensley Company. Today I'd like to share some experience about how to use Pensley properly to get a better result. First, you make sure you get the original one from Pensley. And original Pensley, they have a special bottle that's round and with this kind of. Check, this is original Pensley products packing. It's like this. They will have a very beautiful, clean, and crystal wrap with this box. And now because I tear them away so you don't see it. And you can check the detail, the ingredient, and the precaution. Marketing by Fan Trading Company, and the manufacturer is Guangzhou Nanfan Cosmetics and a company. The deadline is 2023 years. Check. And the bottle is very small. It's not very big, so you can choose you like it or not. I like it because it's very gentle and very good smell. So if you receive someone's bad smell, that definitely not from Pensley, even the same packing, because we have a good quality control by our ingredients, our liquid. And if you want a large one, you Pensley have another way. This, the 100 milliliter. Check with like another one is Pensley new products. Inhibiting ingredients which make your hair grow back with a tiny and less and less. And this new products for Pensley for men and women hair removal cream facial. So make sure you don't buy the fake things. And the liquid is very silky in the milk. It's like a milk. So make sure you get a right one. Secondly, you have to use them correctly. For example, you have to stay enough long, like you have to wait 8 to 15 minutes, or when your hair gets curly, then you can wet it off. Because it also depends on if you full cover or not. Check this video. You can see we have to make sure your hair full cover is you cannot. If you don't full cover it, then that means you want to get a good result. You want remove very clean. Now I'm going to show you how to I get the better result. First, when I use the Pensley hair removal spray, and I will shake it because it's milky. And maybe when you are in very cold place, the cream will be frozen, so you gotta shake it, make it milky. It can full cover your hair area. I'm going to try it for you. Test. Check. Make sure your hair get full cover it. If you cover like this part, it means it's not work effective on your hair, because you have to make sure that all hair covered by white cream, milky, smooth. Is it like milky, right? like cheese something. So you make sure your hair get full cover like this, and then wait. For me, I just wait 5 minutes. Then my hair will get curls up, and I can wipe it off easily. This kind of, I think is for the people who like gentle and like really light smell, no bad smell. I recommend this. If you guys like stronger way, or you like short time to get remover, that means they will be stronger. Let's get another version. If you like it, then you can ask the Pensley Company service. So this is correctly way for cover it, and wait 10 to 15 minutes. If you're a man of your hair is thick, I think you have to wait more than that until you get hair curls up. Usually like this way. I ever met one of my friend. He gets hair beards and hair like 12 hours will grow back. So and his hair is very thick. He's a man, full of hair of his body, and he's okay and very clean very well by Pensley hair remover cream spray. So I think most of you can use this, have a good experience about Pensley products. And this with ingredient. After you remove the hair, guys, you can see because I often use Pensley hair remover cream, and my hair gets really fast to get curly. Seems now I'm going to wipe off it. Oh, see how it works. Check. I only wait 2 or 3 minutes. It's web away. My hair is very tiny, so because after used many times, and easy to get remove it. Check. Right. This area I apply, and it's clean now. Because I didn't. And after this, you have to wash your skin by the clean water, and you spray this. Spray Pensley inhibitor spray. This will help you to avoid razor bone. Your skin get redness. It will help you to release it, and your hair will not ingrow to your skin. So this is very important product for you guys to hair remover. I mean, can stop your hair grow back fast like before. And thirdly, you have to make sure your hair is you have to thick. If you're wondering your hair is too thick, cannot move by Pensley, then you check this video, because we have a test on very thick and strong hard hair. This kind of type of person, you can check if you're not the person, or you are thicker than them. I'm not sure you can remove or not. So this tip is for you to pick up Pensley hair remover spray. It's suitable for you or not. It's all depending on you. And so let's make a conclusion. You have to buy original one. Secondly, you have to full cover it with the cream and stay enough long. And thirdly, you have to use the like you wipe it away with the correct direction. You cannot like whip it like this, so it will not remove anything actually. So if you wipe it off by a correct way, then to wipe it much clean than this. And the most important things, if you the most the advantage I like pencil because when the hair grow back, the hair will not stick to your skin. It will make you feel comfortable with it, and the hair is get tiny and soft. It will become less and less, so I like it. So make sure you use the right way and original one, and stay enough long time. That's all. And it also can use on private or beard. It's very gentle, so no worry about this. And if you are man still wondering if you cannot use this or not, check our other videos for men. Bye.